Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm shopping at Five Below, and I'm just gonna look around and see what they have that is new. I haven't been in here in a while. It looks like they have a lot of summer and pool toys. And this is cute, like a little ball for the pool. I like the bright colors of those. And then on this wall they have all their floaties, and they have some really cute ones like this seahorse and this donut. And this butterfly is different. I haven't seen very many butterflies. I have these cute summer cups. They have pool noodles. And my Five Below was pretty crowded. It seems like people love to hang out at my Five Below. But I'm wanting to look at the clothes, and somebody's over there right now. But they have these cute flip-flops in these different patterns. And on this back wall they have clothes. Look at the tie-dye shirts they have now. And they have super cute shorts, like these little gray ones, little tie-dye ones, and ones that have a little rainbow trim. So cute. They have little biker shorts with butterflies, rainbow tie-dye, roses. Super cute mini backpacks. The only thing new I really see in the room decor are these $10 comforters. They have 3 different colors. They have blue, floral, and gray. But $10 is a good deal. The only other deal that would, well, I don't know if Target during back to school season will have $15 comforters. And I'm not sure, I think it does come with a polo sham though. and you get a more variety of patterns to choose from. Okay, so I have another food haul. I have the chicken nugget meal from Chick-fil-A with Chick-fil-A sauce, French fries, and a Dr. Pepper.